Examine the diagram below and use it to answer the questions that follow. Explain what happens when the red blood cells is put in distilled water.
The cell sap is hypotonic to distilled water, hence water molecules move into the cell by osmosis, making it swell and eventually burst or get hemolyzed.
All living organisms are composed of cells. A cell is a small, membrane-bound compartment that contains all the chemicals and molecules that help support an organism's life. Cytology is the study of cells.
And an understanding of the structure of cells is one of the first steps of comprehending the complex cellular interactions that direct and produce life.
Cells can be thought of as building blocks of organisms.
Some organisms are composed of a single cell.
Others, like ourselves, are composed of millions of cells that work together to perform the more complex functions that make us different from bacteria.
It is difficult to imagine that humans are descendants of a single cell, but this is a common belief in the scientific world.
Before we can understand how multiple cells can work together to create complex biological functions, it is necessary to understand what biological functions single cells are capable of performing on their own to sustain life. Next question.